Hey everybody, this is Scott with Power 360 Media, and the video that you're about to watch is actually part of a series of about 18, 19 videos that we put together a few months ago. Just kind of an introduction to what AI can do for your business. And what I've decided to do is to put all these videos up on YouTube so you can watch them for free. I'm going to put a link down in the video so you can download a lot of the free content that we have. We've got some PDF documents and things like that, some supplementals that will go along with this. Um, but just be advised, with the advancement in technology and software and things like that. These videos were created about 6 months ago. There's already been advancements. So when let's say you log into ChatGPT, now there's some newer versions that are not referenced in the video and things like that. But still, the idea here was to put together a course that's really going to give you a good insight to how you can use AI with your business. We put this course together for real estate professionals, investors, real estate agents, real estate brokers, but really you can tailor this to any business that you may have. So hope you enjoy this. We've got about 18, 19 videos here that I'm going to put in a playlist. I'll put the link down to of the playlist below. I'll also have a link for all of the free documents and supplementals. Hope you enjoy it. Do me a favor, leave a comment and subscribe. That way you'll see when we post new videos about this. We'd love to hear back from you and see what we can do to help enjoy this introduction to AI and what it can do for your business. Thanks for watching.
Welcome to our groundbreaking course on leveraging ChatGPT for generating unlimited content in the real estate sector. As we get started on this journey together, let's start with the basics to set a strong foundation for what's to come. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an advanced artificial intelligence language model designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's part of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer series, with the capability to assist in various tasks ranging from writing and editing to answering queries and more, making it an invaluable tool across multiple industries, including real estate. How long has it been around? The journey of GPT began with its first iteration released in 2018. However, it was the subsequent versions, GPT-2 and GPT-3, released in 2019 and 2020 respectively, that truly showcased the potential of this technology. ChatGPT, particularly in its current form, has been available since late 2022, constantly evolving and improving to meet the growing demands of users. What is all the buzz about? The buzz around ChatGPT stems from its remarkable ability to generate coherent, contextually relevant, and sometimes indistinguishably human-like text. This AI model has demonstrated potential not just in content creation, but also in enhancing user experience, automating tasks, and providing insightful data analysis. Its versatility and efficiency in handling complex tasks make it a game changer, especially in content-heavy industries like real estate, where staying ahead with engaging, informative, and timely content is key. Is AI a new technology? While it might seem like AI is a relatively new phenomenon, the concept and development of artificial intelligence have been around for decades. What's new and exciting is the level of sophistication that models like ChatGPT have achieved. Advances in machine learning, natural language processing, and computing power have enabled AI to reach unprecedented levels of capability and accessibility, transforming industries and how we interact with technology on a daily basis. In this course, we will dive deep into how you, as a real estate professional, can harness the power of ChatGPT to revolutionize your content strategy, enhance your marketing efforts, and elevate your business to new heights. Get ready to unlock the potential of AI for unlimited content creation.
All right, guys, so I got to come a little bit clean here. So everything in this video up to this point has been AI generated. The voice was not me talking. It created the images for me, created the slides for me. So I'm got to come clean. But the idea here is I wanted to give you kind of a preview of the power of AI. I was able to clone my own voice. I went into ChatGPT and said, I asked the questions, how long has the technology been around, to give me a little bit of information about what ChatGPT is. It spit it out. I copied that. I went into my voice program that I'm going to show you guys later in this course. And it honestly took about 60 seconds to create the prompts, answer the questions, plug it into the voice machine, if you want to call it that, for lack of a better word. I'm keeping it a secret for now. Plug it into the old voice box there. Went and grabbed a cup of coffee, and I came back, and it was all done. So just wanted to show you the power of what AI could do for you. So I want to jump into just give you a little bit more here on some of the things that we're actually going to be covering. So right now I've got somewhere between 17, 18, 19 videos for you in the process. We've already gone through the introduction. This is just a question on what is ChatGPT. My dog's bugging me here. Everybody, just a quick break here. I wanted to say thanks for watching our videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means everything to us. Hopefully you're getting some value out of this content. And if you want to try out our free software, we've got a 14-day trial. It's a fully automated marketing and automation software that's built on the Go High Level platform, tailored to real estate professionals, tailored to home service professionals. We've got some great things that go above and beyond just what Go High Level offers, as far as, also just the additional support that we have in training. So if you want to try that out, go to p360trial.com, and again, hit like and subscribe. And I just wanted to say thanks again for watching. So we're gonna talk about prompts, creating prompts in ChatGPT. ChatGPT is only as good as what you ask it to do. There's the old, you guys have heard that phrase about you ask a stupid question, you get a stupid answer. So we're really going to be diving deep into prompts, which is the next video. We're going to talk about how to create images just with a click of a button, which for me, creating content, images is one of the most difficult things, because you're not technically supposed to just go swipe it. A lot of people do, but go swipe images off of Google. So finding images, paying for sites to create images, like Pixabay and those types of sites where you're actually paying for the service to use the images, Shuttersnap, those types of things. All things that I've paid for in the past that I no longer have to pay for. So how to create a killer lead magnet. This is something that I'm really excited about using. Basically, we're going to show you how to create an ebook in about an hour. I've got a 60-page ebook that's a great lead magnet that has really good information that you're going to be able to give out for free in exchange for their name and email address. We're going to talk about how to create killer email sequences, follow-up sequences, re-engagement sequences. We're going to talk about how to create great text message sequences, how to create blog posts, how to create Facebook posts, or other social media posts. They don't have to be specifically to Facebook. How to create killer real estate listings. This is something that in the past I've struggled with, writing the prompt, this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, that type of stuff. I've always struggled with it. Click, 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 throw a couple of good prompts in there. Boom, you've got an amazing real estate listing written for you in just seconds. How to create 30 pieces of social media content in just minutes, using a couple of different free resources that I'm going to share with you. How to use Link Reader. I'll just leave that one for now. How to clone your voice. I just did that. So you've seen how well that works. And even the voice cloning is not perfect. In fact, I'll share with you, I did kind of a neat little commercial, one of my favorite actors, and I think the person with the sweetest voice in the world is none other than Morgan Freeman. I cloned his voice and created a commercial for myself.
In a world where innovation meets opportunity, this course, Revolutionize Your Real Estate Game, emerges as the beacon for those ready to embrace the future, guided by the unseen hand of artificial intelligence. And Scott Stafford is my best friend.
I don't know if that's legal or not. I guess so. Use at your own risk. I don't want to get in trouble with Morgan Freeman here. So we'll talk about how to clone your voice, how to have fun with 11 Labs, which is one of the services that we're going to talk about. How to create video using AI. How'd you like to just plug in a couple of prompts and have a video created for you? I'm telling you guys, amazing stuff, game-changing stuff. Within seconds, you no longer have to pay for a service to go create a video or spend the time. If you've ever edited video yourself, you know how long it can take. And then at the end, one of the most exciting things is AI-powered marketing assistant software that I'm going to share with you guys. I'll be honest, I'm going to share with you guys. Some of you guys are going to want to use this software. People always ask me, why are you giving away this course for free? Well, I'm going to try and sell you something at the end of it. There's no doubt about it. You can choose to use it or not. Maybe you already have a CRM software. Maybe you don't. But this software replaces so many different things, and it's cheaper than you're probably spending on your current CRM, and it does more. I've been able to cancel so many subscriptions for email service, funnel services, things like that, voicemail services, slide dial voicemail drops, canceled. So a really, really great software that I'm going to be sharing with you at the end, and I'm going to give you a nice little discount on it, and some bonus training as well on how to use that particular software. So, but up to this point, we're going to go through the videos. I'm just going to show you how to create the content and everything, and then at the end, you guys can choose to follow along and move forward with the software, or you can choose not to. It's really up to you. So, but I wanted full disclosure. I wanted to be upfront with you guys. So let's get into prompt engineering. This is going to be it for the slideshows, or everything else up to this point. And I'm not going to trick you. I'm not going to use any more AI Scott for you. It's going to be me giving you the rest of the training here. But we're going to jump into prompts, because again, ChatGPT is only as good as what you ask it to do. So we're going to go into some prompt engineering stuff here. Got a bunch of things that you can download, some templates and things that you can download that I think you'll find very helpful. So without further ado, let's get started and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.